Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So what I'm going to be doing is to go to my WordPress dashboard. Now I'm actually using WP code for this particular tutorial. In case you don't have WP code code snippets on your site, I'll advise you just go to plugins and add new plugin. So once you go to plugins, click on add new plugin. So once it opens, what you're going to now do is to quickly just search for WP code. Just search for WP code and it's going to come out. You install it. This is the WP code. You just install it and activate it. So mine is already installed and activated. So I'll just go straight into it and show you. Okay, WP code. I will come to code add snippets. So once I click on add snippets, it's going to open up and you can see this is it. I'm going to now click on add snippets, and the snippet we are going to be adding is going to be a PHP code. So we are going to select PHP snippets. So now I'll be dropping the link to this particular, to where you can get this particular snippet to add to your site. So just give it a title. So I'll just name it something like login, logout, register, redirects. Let me just name it that way. So I actually don't want to make use of any plugin, so that to reduce the number of plugins I'll be using to actually achieve this. And some of the plugins you'll be even using, some of this feature might be a pro feature. So I'm going to be showing you this particular tutorial just to show you how to do that manually on your own end. So now you can see I will be ensure this is ticked, and I'll be dropping, as I said, just check in the description box below. You see the link to actually get this particular code. So now you can see from there, now you can see from this now on, if you check this particular on redirect after registration. So now if you want to actually change it to any particular page you want, now from this, after a new registration, once a user registers new on the site and the registration is complete, it's going to redirect the person to my account. So if you want it to redirect to any other page, just change it from display, just change it, enter the URL on this particular place and everything, just enter the last, it's going to automatically add the the website URL. For example, you can see, this is the website URL. So it's going to add the website URL. So you just don't need to add the website, just the one at the end. So just add this. This is the one I have on my own side. So this is my account. If you wanted to, let's say for example, go to contact page, you can just, and then you enter the address of the contact page here. But on my own end, this is okay for that. I want it to go to my account. So now if you scroll up also on the redirect after logout, you can see on this one I said if a user it should redirect a user after the user logs out to the home address. So if you want it to redirect to a different place, you just enter the address here. So now I'm going to, if you also scroll up, redirect to the last visited page. After this, we actually try to, before the user logs in, is going to take note of the last page the user actually visited before he clicks on the login. So what this particular section does now is going to take note of the last page the user was before logging in. So once he logs in to the site, it's going to redirect the user to that particular site, to that particular page he was previously. So now let's just save this and see. I'm going to just click on save. Now it has been saved. So what I'm going to just do is to let me purge my cache. I'm actually using Lightspeed cache plugin, so that's what I just wanted to just clear my site cache. So now let me go back here and see something. Now you can see actually I'm still logged in on this particular account. So now what I'm going to now do, I will just navigate to a particular page. So now just ignore the design of the site for now. just ignore the design of the site for now. So now this is this page. Now I'm going to let me open any of these particular products. So now I'm going to open this. Okay, now I'm on this particular page now. So let me just quickly try something out. I'm going to log out. Let me log out. But if I should log out from here, you can see that it's going to take me to the home page, which is this particular page. This was what I set as the home page. So this is where it actually brought me to after logging out. So you can see now it's telling me to log in. So now what I'm going to, you can see is actually worked. I set once the user logs out, it should bring the user to the home page. Now let me go back to the store. Let me go back to my shop and select this product. So now I want to assume I was on this particular page before logging in. So now if I'm on this page now, let me log in and see if actually when I log in, if it will take me to my account page, or if it will take, let's see what to actually take note of the particular page is going to redirect me to. So now let's see, I'm going to click on login now. It brings me to my login page. So now I'm going to now click on login and log in my account and see which page is actually redirects to. So you can see it asks this from the address you see here, it actually redirects me back to the current particular page I was before logging in. So you can see this is how you can just to make your site a little bit dynamic and to look professional. So you can see this is how everything works. The same thing also applies to registration. So now if a new user registers on your account, on your site, I don't really want to do that now, but you can have already tested it, so it's actually working perfectly well. If a new user registers on your site, it's going to redirect the person to the my account page, just as what I set here. You can see when a new user registers, new registration, it should take the person to my account page. So you can set it to whatever page you want the new user new registration to actually go back to. So that is just how you go about it. Now let me log out and see if I should log out now, it's going to still redirect me to the home page because that's where I actually set. So you can see that is how everything is working perfectly fine the way it's supposed to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.